Hey everybody, Table Quality Home Inspection. So I'm in Middletown today doing this inspection on a property. And let me show you what I got with the HVAC system. We're kind of pumping out some okay temperatures on the register side. Sorry, I kind of blinked there. This is a heat pump. Okay, so I got strip heater there, fan coil, A coil. Anyway, you can start to see my lines are icing up. Okay, so that should not be happening. It's also happening on the suction line outside. So that typically means it's low in refrigerant or a dirty filter, but the filter is brand new. So we're definitely low on some refrigerant. Again, like I said, it's happening outside. So what I'm going to do is recommend a HVAC contractor come out here. The tricky part, sorry for that close up, this is an old R22 system. They don't make R22 anymore. You can still buy it, it's super expensive. You know, but nonetheless, we're going to just ask the HVAC guy to come out and leak check the system and, you know, do what he's got to do. So either it's just a simple, small, old system, needs a pound or two, or there's a leak. I did check it with my meter on the inside unit there. I'm not picking any refrigerant leaks up, so I'm thinking that's all it is, just a pound or two shy. But just want to point that out. Thanks for watching Table Quality Home Inspections, 302-883-8797 or inspectdelaware.com.